Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This is the fourth video of our course, and we are proceeding with our website gurustate.com, and we have to modify some more things here, some modules and other aspects in this video, and I will try to finish all this main look of the website in this video. So first of all, you must know that these things, for example, this menu here and these things, these sections, these are all modules. Okay, so we have to edit the modules first. So for modules position, I will show you one technique that you should go to global configuration in administrator panel, and here in template section you should enable this module positions, preview module position section, and then after that if you will write here a /? tp equal to 1, then your modules positions will be displayed in front end. Okay, so here we can see our module positions, and we will start changing our modules in this section. So here the first module we want to change is this bottom 2.1, I think, and we don't need that module, so this module we don't need for time being. So here we will search for bottom 2.1 and we will find that module. Okay, tired of your old. Sometimes modules are built with their names, but sometimes they are made we can't find them by name, so that's why I showed you that technique of positions. So we can just delete this module, and then we have another module bottom 2.1. Let's see this module. What is this? Yeah, the same text, and we can delete this module also. Trash. After that we have this banner module. I have created one banner for here this position, so that probably be the bottom 2x2 maybe. So let's see. No, it's not 2x2. Some modules, these modules are irrelevant, so we can trash these modules. Okay, it will clean your Joomla website. So if the modules are not needed, you should delete that modules. 3.1 maybe. Again, these are some modules, irrelevant modules added by this demo version. So trashed. We can't find this banner. Okay, no problem. We can do like this. Here we can come and banner maybe, yeah, you can see banner bottom, so we can click on this banner bottom, and here is our banner. So it's simple image edit. We will select the image and we will change this image. Go to image, choose files, go to desktop, and I have created the same dimensioned image. And then we can add some link on this image for that website. Also make target, this target you should change it to new window, so that when somebody clicks on this image, it will open in new tab. Okay, so after that we can save this and save and close. Now we will see our banner will be changed, and if somebody clicks on this banner, he will be directed to this bookstore. That's fine. After that, there are these modules. We don't need these modules for time being, for pricing for posting ads and like this. Let's make this pricing. Let's see. Yeah, we have this module. Just trash this module. Another one, see how you may. So see how you may sell. Yes, we can delete this module also. And see subscription plans. Delete this one also. Now our website is more cleaner. Yeah, this thing we have to change. Any questions and write to us. These are also modules. So any question, we will go to that module, and you can see the there are some settings in this module, and we have to see. Any question? Let's edit this one. Yeah, here is the link and here is the phone number. Yeah, so we will change the phone number +92, and then our Guru State owner's phone number I will recheck in my mobile. Just yeah, 312 0593 574. So number is changed, and link URL we don't need here, so that's fine. After that we have write to us. Let's change this one, write to us. Edit, and here we will add our own email, gurustate.com, and save and close. Now we will recheck, and probably the changes will be done, and yeah, you can see number and email is changed. Everything is fine. Now this module car classified is appearing here with some address, so we have to change this one, car classified. Let's see, maybe with the same name we find no, we can just recheck the position, tp equal to 1. I'm going a little advanced, okay? So if you can't understand the things, you should see some basic tutorial first for Joomla. So here you can see the footer module, footer mode, port 2 and 1, and like this. So we will just find the position, footer mode port 1, and here are our modules in this section. Yes, company address is here and this text. So first of all we will change the text here, and here we will write always note that this text matters with SEO also, okay, on your home page. So always use the words that are relevant to your website. So we can say the best free classified portal of Pakistan and worldwide. We will not mention Pakistan, portal in Middle East, and Guru State is the best. Middle East, you can post free ads for unlimited time totally time in different categories like jobs, cars, property, etc. That's it. Now we will go to JM social icons. Here are some social icons, but unfortunately the owner of our website, this website, didn't created the pages yet, so the URL is blank, so that's fine. I think these social icons, we can hide these social icons for time being. We can just unpublish this module for time being, so unpublish. After that, the company address is here, and in address there is this section also, this image. So we will change this image. Now see, what I did is that if I click on this image and change the image, it will create a problem because it is using some class. So I went to this toggle editor, and now the code is here. So we will just change the path of our image. Okay, so in our case, if we go to media and Guru State logo, logo.png is our image which we want to appear there. So we will write here Guru State logo. Yes. After that, I think that wording we have used here, I was thinking that there's appear here is actually this one. Okay, so for saving the time, we will go to modules and footer mode 1. We will copy this text and we will paste this text here, and here we can just add our address, or just, I think this address is irrelevant. We don't need this address. Email is fine, and phone number info @gurustate.com and +92. Okay, that's great. And we'll just delete this break. Yes, now we will save the module, go to Guru State, and then everything is fine in this module now. And this module was irrelevant, so we can just delete this module. Okay, great. Now here are two more modules here. Company, getting started, statistics module is fine. Here company module is also fine. Okay, so we will check the module that we need a menu here. So company, you can see the menu type here, and he selected the menu of company here. Okay, so we have to make changes in menus. There are some menus already added here. So one menu is of elements, let's delete this menu because we don't need this menu, and irrelevant things are just useless. So I have deleted this menu elements. After that, the company module, this menu, this is fine. So in company we will add some articles here. Okay, so for articles we will go to content, and then we will create one category. There are some already added categories here, but we will create one new category with the name of let's make it company, the same name. And now we will add the articles inside that company. Okay, there are some random articles already added, so we will delete these articles later on, but first we will create one article name as about and about. Here I will just add some random text for time being, and later on we will add the extra text here. So that's it, our about page is ready. We will select the category here, company, and save and new. Okay, now there are some articles as terms, no, privacy policy, let's see, no, pricing. We will delete this article for time being. So we will create some new article for terms conditions. Okay, so how we will create the terms and conditions of our website, I will show you a technique. There are terms and conditions generator, so you can use some code generator and also privacy policy. These are actually the same. Privacy policy and terms are almost the same. I think this is for Shopify. Let's try this. Your company name, Guru State, your website name, http, and gurustate.com. sorry, this was the URL, and here we will add Guru State. Next, country, we will add our country, state, email address. I'm adding my own email address here because we will get our email here. So yes, our terms and conditions are created. Okay, so we can just copy this text here. In HTML I am doing this, and in articles we will go to toggle editor, paste the code. Okay, so now we will do some changes by fixing this Google State or terms and conditions free generator. We have deleted this, other things are fine, license, etc. Other things are absolutely fine. Okay, that's fine. So our terms and conditions are created successfully, and one mistake I have done, that we have to add this in company category. It's not necessary actually, but I want to categorize the things. So after that we will create a privacy policy. So website, next step, I am individual, we do where do you work from, okay, Pakistan, and URL, email address, first and last name. Do you send email to users? Yes. How can you unsubscribe? By clicking. Do you ask the location information? No. Do you use tracking or such as Google Analytics? Yes, we will use. So select the tools you use for tracking, Google Analytics. Next step, how can users contact you for by email? Okay, email we can add info@gurustate.com. Next step, great. Do you want to create professional privacy policy? Yes. Can users free privacy policy? Yeah, this one. Next, save privacy policy. I will add my own email. That's it, and also that's added here our privacy policy. Okay, so copy this one, go to articles, we'll create a new article, name it to privacy policy. Policy, company, save it, and again we will delete this line and save and close. Okay, about and privacy policy and terms are created. Now one more thing, we should have the contact us page. Yes. So I think we already have one contact us page, maybe here. Yes, this one. Let's check this one. Wow, awesome, that's great. So it's actually appearing a module and a article. Okay, so we will use this contact us same page. So what we will do first, we will go search here contact, sorry, and here it's in article contact form, it's actually load position contact page. Okay, it's appearing in module here, so we will have to make changes in module. So we will go to modules and contact map is here, and actually this map is not appearing there. This is useless. This one is not there, this is not here. I think this easy contact maybe. Name, message, send. Yes, I think it's using this one, this module. So email recipient info @ gurustate.com. minimap.com. Same email we will add here, and sender name, default sender name will come, default subject, yes, that's fine. And captcha we have disabled, and let's check it. Address details. Okay, this will be some module, I think. You can see the map. We don't need map, just delete that map. Address details we will add. So now here we will find address details module. Here it is, and we will please to answer your queries. Done. That's great. Let's check the contact page again. Yeah, everything is fine, name, email and message, and we have successfully added our contact us page. Now we will make changes in these options, because if we click on terms of use, it will go to some other articles. Okay, so we have to add that articles we have created. So we'll go to menu, company, and here our company, we'll change it to about us. Single menu item type, we will select single article. So we will select our article. Articles, single article, and then select about, save and close. Partners, we can just delete this for time being. Terms of use, article, single article, and then terms we have created, terms and condition, save and close. Privacy policy and privacy policy, enter. News, just for news we will create a blog menu item, and here, because we will create in main menu the blog menu, so here we will add system links URL, and here we will give a URL of copy /blog. And contact us, I think it's already fine. So if we click on contact us, yeah, this is fine. So contact us is fine. That's our, this section is completed. about us. We can see the about us page, terms of use. We can see this terms and privacy policy, blog, and everything is fine. Okay. One thing, these written by a super user, and category if we want to hide, we can go to menus, each menu, terms of use, privacy policy, and then in options we can hide the category and author. Great. This section is completed. Here the getting started menu is coming, so we will delete this getting started menu, we don't need. Okay, so we have to delete this getting started menus. We don't need these menus here. We can trash these menus and then go to menus, and getting started we can delete. Now in getting started we can add our partners. Okay, that's a good idea. We will create links for our partners companies. So what we have to do, this page is okay, just leave it for time being. We will create a new menu. Okay, just name it partners. And now in menu items we will create some partners for our partners menu. Okay, so just create a new menu and system link URL, and we will add our first partner, sun.com. Sorry, online learning portal. Okay, save and new. The second one we can add URL and https comitv.com comitv, and save and new. System links URL https forwarder.com forwarder. System link URL ps forwarder.com/books, and here we will add online bookstore forwarder. https forwarder untitled.com/games further. Just enough. Now we can't see menu here because we have not assigned the menu, so we will go to modules, and we will go to the name of that module was okay, we can just create a new module, and we can select the type of module menu, and then we will select our menu partners. Menu assignment on all pages, and position bottom, I think that was footer mod 3. Okay, save and refresh our site. Great, we have our partners. A fun mistake I have done, that our partners are opening in the same tab, so we don't need that thing. So we will go to menus, partners, open these menus again, and just target window, we will change it to new window with navigation. Okay, now that will open in new tab. Great. Now the thing is that if we click on any icon, we can go to that window. Nice, everything is fine. In this video we will keep things like this. We will stop this video here, and in next video we will finalize our website, these copyright and this section, also the main menu. Okay, so in next video we will finalize the our website. Thank you very much.